Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss from the world of artificial intelligence and OpenAI. In this video, we'll be exploring a major development called Q-star and its significance in the quest for artificial general intelligence. Let's get started. Last week, the OpenAI saga came to a conclusion with the surprising firing of Sam Altman, the former CEO of OpenAI. While the exact reasons for his dismissal remain unclear, recent reports suggest that a new breakthrough called Q-star might have played a role. According to a report by Reuters, Q-star is a cutting-edge model currently being developed by OpenAI. It holds the potential to revolutionize the field of artificial general intelligence (AGI). AGI refers to autonomous systems that surpass human performance in most economically valuable tasks. However, the report also highlights that the development of AGI raises concerns about its impact on humanity. So, what exactly is Q-star? The report suggests that Q-star is a model designed to perform mathematical calculations at the level of grade school students. While this may seem like a modest achievement, it holds tremendous promise for AGI. Current generative AI excels in tasks like writing and language translation, but the ability to perform math, where there is a single correct answer, signifies a significant advancement in AI's reasoning capabilities, resembling human intelligence. Mathematics is considered a frontier in generative AI development. While existing AI models can statistically predict the next word in a sentence, the ability to solve math problems requires deeper understanding and reasoning. This breakthrough opens up possibilities for applying AI in novel scientific research and problem-solving. However, the development of Q-star has not been without concerns. In a letter to the OpenAI board, researchers raised flags about the potential dangers associated with highly intelligent machines. Although the specific safety concerns were not detailed in the report, computer scientists have long debated the risks posed by AGI, such as the possibility of AI systems making decisions that could be detrimental to humanity, including the destruction of humanity itself. Sam Altman, who played a significant role in OpenAI, secured investments and computing resources, particularly from Microsoft, to advance towards AGI. Altman's recent announcements of new tools and his mention of major advances at a summit of world leaders in San Francisco indicate his optimism and belief in the progress towards AGI. In conclusion, Q-star represents a major development in the quest for AGI. With its ability to perform mathematical calculations at the level of grade school students. While it holds great promise for advancing AI capabilities, it also raises concerns about the potential risks associated with highly intelligent machines. The firing of Sam Altman in the midst of this development adds an intriguing layer to the OpenAI saga. As the story unfolds, it will be fascinating to see how Q-star and its implications for AGI continue to shape the future of artificial intelligence. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest developments in the world of AI. Until next time, take care and goodbye.